Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions about picnic. Do you like going on picnic?
Yes, I like to go on picnic. In my childhood, I go very time of for picnic.
All right, where do you usually go for picnic?
Uh, I like hilly areas like Murray for picnic. In my childhood, I very time go for the picnic. I went for a picnic with my family.
Okay, why don't some people like going on picnic?
Some people like to enjoy their life and to rest their minds for to go for a picnic.
Okay, do you like going for picnic with your friends or family?
Yes, I like to go for with both because families are with my friends they are.
Okay, that's fine. थोड़ा सा focus करना है topics पे, ठीक है? So, do you, Walaikum Assalam. Now, do you make a list when you go for shopping?
Yes. When I go for shopping our grocery, our home grocery, then we will make a list for a few things which I can buy from there.
Okay, now don't say we will, say I make a list. Question is in present, so don't turn it to future. Okay. Do you make a list for your study also?
Sometimes. I will make a list of my books which is important for my some subjects, so that's why I just list down their names on.
Okay, why don't some people make lists?
Because they forgot many things, so that's why they make a list, that then they go over there, they can't forget that thing.
Okay, but I'm saying, why don't some people make lists? Okay, do you prefer making a list on a paper or on your mobile phone or in your mobile phone?
I prefer that it is best to make that list on your mobile, because you can't take paper anywhere, but you can take phone everywhere. So you just write on it and you can take it.
Last answer is better than the first three answers, so keep it up like that, okay? Try to speak a little more. Inshallah, you'll get more practice, okay?